I can show you all the finer things, babe. Put your feelings to the side and swallow up all your pride. It's the finer things, babe. The way you feeling inside, it's nothing that you should hide, yeah.
Alright, what is up, you guys? Good. It's like later on in the evening right now. I was gonna say good morning, but it's clearly nighttime.
It's dark.
So basically, it's been a really long day, but we got the keys to the apartment and we kind of moved in. I didn't record anything just because we were like busy doing the orientation and stuff, but we got the apartment, so we're now at the storage. And my whole family's here. They're gonna help me load the storage, and then tomorrow is official move-in day. But yeah, the apartment is sick. We love it.
It's so nice. Like,
yeah, we're so happy.
I don't know. For some reason, it still hasn't like hit me yet.
Yeah.
Like, even though we were there today and we built some of the stuff, it just, I don't know. Maybe tomorrow after we actually like sleep there.
Yeah.
But it's crazy.
Yeah. So like I said, we're at the storage. We're gonna like pack up the U-Haul and then sleep at my sister's tonight, and then I'll pick up the camera again tomorrow when we officially move. But I wanted to like start the vlog here because, like I said, I was kind of doing a shitty job of vlogging right now. But yeah, we're here, so let's get it.
You're paying us in king crab and lobster.
Did you guys just hear what he said? He said I'm paying them in king crab and lobster. Love that for you.
We're buying you
wish.
breakfast and lunch.
You wish. Hey Dad, wait. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, what's up, guys?
How do you feel about Kia and me moving out? Are you gonna miss us?
Yes.
Are you sad?
Yes, a little bit, no.
Got him.
We all fit. Oh,
Whoa.
that's one way. That's one way to do it. Okay.
Nice.
I gotta.
Alright, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. This is actually the first vlog, like proper vlog in the new apartment. As you guys can see, we are in like kind of a different setting right now. And like I said, we're in the new apartment. We're super excited. Kia's actually behind me right now. She's working. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
As you guys saw from like the previous clips, it's just been a little hectic and a little busy. Obviously, moving definitely is stressful and it takes like a lot of people and stuff. So shout out to my family for helping us and stuff. But as you guys can see from behind me, things are kind of like set up and stuff. And I just kind of wanted to start off the brand new apartment vlog, walk you guys through the brand new apartment and just kind of take it like section by section. I'm gonna talk you guys through like my inspo, my plan in regards to like the decor and the aesthetic and all that good stuff. Shout out to Helix for sponsoring today's video. I'll be talking about them a little later in this vlog, so stay tuned for that. But let's get into this updated, empty / somewhat furnished apartment tour. All right, so as you guys can see, this is the front door. So this is what the current dining room looks like right now. As I mentioned, we just moved in, so things are, you know, subject to change, but kind of just to like break it down real quick, this is, again, what the dining room looks like. Got a nice little candle setup right here. Nice little tray with just like some essentials and decor bits. I was working in the morning, so I have this right here. So as of right now, the table, the placemats, and the 4 chairs right here are gonna stay. These are beautiful. And then I have 2 new chairs coming. Thinking about putting some artwork back there because it is like a pretty sizable wall. So, you know, kind of wanted to highlight that. And then I think I'm just gonna leave this blank for now. There's basically nothing on this wall besides that little thermostat. And so gonna keep this like nice and bright. And then as you guys can see in the corner there, we have just like a ton of boxes. My family was super kind and they gifted us a ton of apartment stuff for this new space. So this right here is gonna be almost kind of like what I'd like to describe as a little bar cart corner moment. So we got the bar cart right there. If you watch the past apartment vlogs, you would know which one I picked up. And if you haven't watched it, I'd definitely run it back and watch those. So again, this is all for the bar cart area. And I think I'm gonna record a separate video video about that. So let me know in the comments down below if that's something you guys would be interested in. So that will be that corner. So from the bar cart area, we move into the kitchen. Pretty standard kitchen, obviously fridge, you know, the vibes. Have a nice, it's kind of a small pantry, but you know, it's just Kia and I, so we don't really like need that much. Goes all the way up there. I'm gonna organize this and all that stuff. And then, you know, like standard stove, microwave, ton of cabinets that go all the way up there. We kind of have like the knives out already, got some decor bits happening, but like I said, everything is definitely subject to change. And then I have my nice little corner kind of coffee moment right here, which was something I was really excited about when I got my like own place and stuff. So I'm really excited about this. Give you a little sneak peek. Here's all of my coffee stuff that I will most definitely be using. And then here is the current cup, plate, like serving kind of situation right here. Love those. So this is that side of the kitchen, and then when you turn around, you just have more cabinets, dishwasher. Probably will never use that, low-key. And then we have like our current sink setup. We gotta kind of condense and consolidate all of these into those pumps. And then we have like a nice little landing tray right here for our keys, all that jazz. Bought Kia some flowers because she's been saying I haven't been buying her flowers lately. So we put it in this Farfetch vase that I had and I picked up from my last collaboration with them. Do you like these flowers, babe?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. As you guys can see right there, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. This is a mirror that's just there for the moment. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it here. We're thinking about getting a new one, so we'll see how that goes. So when you walk in the front door, this is what you see. It's like a straight shot. The bathroom's this way. I'm not going to show you guys the bathroom, but just stay tuned for the full apartment tour. I'll get around to it, but as of right now, I'm not going to show you that. It's not that important. So this is another closet right here. It's just like a bunch of storage. We started a little donation pile of things obviously we want to donate. This is that said mirror that I said might be going away. So this is kind of what the kitchen looks like when you're looking at it straight on. Just kind of looks like this. Like I said, all of these things will be going. So we have ample space to do a ton of bar stools, so we probably will be doing that. I just haven't really found one that I've been like obsessed with. So this is that. And then we have some pretty standard kind of like drop down lights, you know, nothing crazy or anything, but definitely like a nice little touch. So the living room is where Helix came into play. So this right here is the current living room situation. As you guys can see, we have my infamous chairs that I always like post about on my Instagram story and on my Instagram and stuff. These two chairs will actually be going outside on our patio because we have like a pretty decent sized little balcony out there. So I'll show you guys that. And then we just already set up our little coffee table. The styling, of course, like I've been saying, subject to change. And then the opposite corner right here is where we have our TV unit. The TV needs to be hung. Potentially thinking about getting a bigger one, we'll see. And then of course I have to like style it accordingly. That's my brother-in-law's like power tools right there. But as I was mentioning, Helix definitely came through for us because so it was our first night in the apartment last night, and we obviously didn't have the mattress until the Helix mattress came in the mail. So we actually had to sleep on this air mattress right here, and I'm gonna show you guys it. So let me just show you. So this is just a basic blow-up mattress that my sister then let us borrow for the time being until we got our Helix mattress. It definitely did the job last night, but I'm super excited to have a proper formal actual kind of like mattress setup. But yeah, I'm thinking about putting some artwork here, and obviously the brand new couch that we're gonna get is gonna go here. These two chairs will be going outside, and I will be getting either one or two more new kind of side chairs to kind of, you know, like accent and play with the sofa. And the Prada poster, of course, don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. All right, you guys, so this is the bedroom right here. I already set up the bed frame, and as I mentioned, today's video is sponsored by Helix. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and unbox that mattress right now, and as I'm unboxing it, I'm gonna tell you which one I got. I'm gonna tell you some more about Helix, and I'm also gonna be telling you guys how you can get a nice little deal on the Helix items. So let's get into it.
Alright you guys, so kind of diving into the Helix mattress and Helix as a brand. The best part about all of this, which I found super convenient, is that Helix delivers your mattress straight to your door for free. It just comes rolled up in a box, as you guys can see, and it's super easy to set up yourself. If any of you guys are a little bit hesitant to buy something online, especially it being a mattress that you haven't tried in person, Helix has a 100-night sleep trial, so you can get more than 3 months to make sure that this mattress right here is perfect and you love it. And if you you don't, they'll simply pick it up and you can go ahead and get a full refund and potentially get another mattress. As you guys know, everyone's different. Everyone loves to sleep their own way, and everyone kind of has their own nightly routine, and Helix knows that. So they went ahead and created a sleep quiz that matches your body type and your sleep preferences to the perfect mattress just for you, based on your different sleep positions and again the firmness preferences. They most definitely have something for everyone's unique taste. I like to sleep on my back or on my side. I love a really good medium to firm mattress. So based on the results, Helix matched me with their Helix Twilight Luxe mattress, and as you guys are going to see in this next clip, which was my first impression of the actual mattress, we were most definitely pleasantly surprised.
Okay, you guys, I want to interrupt the proper voiceover Helix integration. Kia and I just sat on this bed, and this bed is literally the softest bed ever. It's crazy. Yo, shout out to Helix. Okay, let's get back to this integration.
As you guys can kind of tell from my excitement from that last clip, Helix and the Helix mattress as a whole is just so amazing, and overall they just make ordering, receiving, and experiencing a new mattress so much more easier and so much more pleasant. So if any of you guys are interested in checking out Helix and the Helix mattresses, definitely be sure to click the link in my description box down below, or go to helixsleep.com/StevieSalle for up to $200 off your mattress and 2 free pillows. So again, definitely be sure to check Helix out. Links to everything down below.
Okay, you guys, so the bed is finally done. Kind of gonna keep it simple with a hint of beige. Probably put like a nice tan or again beige throw blanket there. But yeah, overall super happy, especially with the Helix mattress. Like I said in previously, it feels so nice and super soft but yet firm. But yeah, this is basically what the room looks like right now. It's pretty bare just because I didn't really kind of get around to doing anything, but we're thinking, well, that's the window right there. And we're thinking side table, and then potentially a little desk right here along here. Just because, you know. And then just in front of our bed, we just have the 2 dressers that we recently bought. And then obviously there's a ton of mess on top of it because like I said, we've just moved here. The boxes on the corner has to go. And then I'm thinking about putting kind of a larger scale artwork above the dresser just to kind of add, you know, something more visually interesting to the room. And then I guess the last thing that I could show you guys, well, kind of show you guys because it's super messy right now, but I'll just kind of give you a brief rundown. So as I mentioned, I'm going to put a little desk right here. This area is actually kind of a little hallway that leads to our bathroom, but there's actually a door right here that you can kind of close or leave open depending on, you know, if you have guests over. So it's a nice access from our bedroom to the bathroom whenever Kia and I need it. But then when we have guests over, probably just shut it. And then this is our kind of walk-in closet. It's actually really tall in there, but I'll show you guys that when it's nicely organized. And then we just have this, which is our stacked washer and dryer. And as you guys can kind of see, but I'm blurring it out right now, it's super messy. We're kind of getting around to it. But for the most part, things are definitely coming together. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it for the kind of tour of the apartment on the inside. I don't want to show you every single thing right away just because, like I mentioned, this is the first vlog of the apartment. I guess not apartment series, but just kind of the first vlog in the new apartment. So I kind of want you guys, you know, to obviously stick around and just kind of stay tuned because like I said, everything is subject to change and we are definitely going to be getting new pieces. Something literally just came in while I was filming this video, and that's the side chairs. So stay tuned for that mention in another vlog and stuff. But I wanted to end the vlog with just kind of a quick mini haul of a bunch of things that I got for Christmas. Majority of them are apartment related, but I wanted to show you guys because if any of you guys have your own space or if you just recently bought a home or something, I think these said items could be great and definitely bangers for your home. So let me kind of go grab those things and then I'll be right back. All right, so the first thing that I want to share with you guys is actually a home goods find that I obviously just recently found. It is this AD 100 book right here and features just a ton of beautiful homes and interiors and the history behind them, all that stuff. If you guys kind of, again, are really into interiors or if you're into just home decor, design, all that stuff, this book right here is definitely a hit. And I was so surprised that I found this at Home Goods for a fraction of the price. I think I took the tag off, but this book usually retails for almost $100 and I got it for basically half off. This is kind of a nice casual flex. Again, so definitely check out your local Home Goods for sure. So these beer glasses right here are gonna be like my water, kind of like iced coffee of choice for like the cup. As you can see, it kind of like curves up towards the top, and it really does look like a beer glass, but obviously it's like not just for beer. Again, this is from, I think this is from Creating Borough, and my girlfriend's family got this for me for my birthday, so I've been holding on to it for quite some time. So we have 6 of these, and then I found this really nice, like super high quality ceramic mug from Target. It's from the Hearth and Hand collection. That's obviously like Chip and Joanna Gaines's kind of, again, collection with Target. And as you guys can see, it's kind of like free formed, which is really nice. So I have smaller mugs, and then I have a bigger mugs, which are these ones, and these are super cheap. They were only $3.99. I love kind of like the matte, again, ceramic free form shape of these mugs right here. And then for all of like the plates and the bowls and all that stuff, we again wanted to keep it like the ceramic vibes, the matte look. This right here is obviously the plate that I'm going to be using. This came in a set from Amazon, and Kia's family again gifted me some nice things for our apartment for Christmas. The set came with this big plate, a small plate, a bowl, and mugs, which are also really great too. So this is a really nice, again, powdered matte black ceramic, and it feels so nice to have like really nice quality plates. There's something about just like nice dishware and, I don't know, things that you eat off of that just kind of elevate like the whole eating from home experience. And then the last thing that I want to put you guys on is this room spray right here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this room spray right here is from Casa Luna, new kind of like collection that they sell at Target. But this room spray right here literally smells like a diptyque Le Labo super bougie, elegant, elevated candle for a fraction of the price. This decent sized bottle, and mind you, the bottle is like super heavy and nice. This bottle retails for $10, but it literally smells like, again, $100 candle, which I personally would love to get, but my like bank account's not really built that way. So if any of you guys are into like your home smelling really good, you want to create like a really, again, nice smelling atmosphere, I mean, I don't know like who wouldn't, check out this Casa Luna room spray. The scent that I got is Serenity. It has like sage, mint. Alright you guys, and that's gonna be it for the vlog. Hopefully you guys kind of enjoyed, again, the first vlog in the new apartment. As I said, stay tuned because things are gonna change. We're gonna get new stuff, and I'm definitely just gonna be recording, featuring a ton of other new stuff that I got. And as I mentioned, everything will be linked down below. Shout out once again to Helix for sponsoring this video and for that cozy mattress. Be sure to check out helix.com/StevieSalle so you guys can get $200 off your mattress alongside 2 extra pillows. It'll be the first link in my description box down below, and then I'll be sure to leave links to everything else as well. But yeah, I think that's it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.